Most people think Instagram DM automations are complicated, but you can set one up in less than 10 minutes. I've been building DM automations for over 6 years, and this is one of the easiest setups to start with. You can use this to answer questions, sell products, or promote things like coaching sessions. So in this video, I will show you how to set it up and you will get my template for free. But first, let me show you how it works on Instagram. So for this example, we have a marketing coach, and this marketing coach does things like Q&A sessions and coaching. So when you go to his account, then people message him with like, when is the next session for Q&A? And then it says, I host my marketing Q&A sessions every 2 weeks. Just click the button below to know when the next session will start. And then when you click on this button, it actually goes to a thing that you can add to your calendar. So that is the first thing, but then people are also interested in his coaching as well. So then you can ask, okay, what is the cost of your coaching? And then it says the price depends on what type of coaching you want. Are you looking for one-on-one coaching or group coaching? So then I go with group coaching, and then it says the group program starts at $100 per month, and you'll be joined by a group of other like-minded entrepreneurs. You can find more info about it here. But Marketing Mark also has courses. So if I say, how can I get access to your course? Then it says, thank you for buying the course. Just click the button below to access it. And then you can just click on the button and then you'll be directed directly to the course. So now that you've seen how this works, let's build this out step by step. And we will build this using a tool called ManyChat. It's one of the easiest ways to create Instagram DM automations, and I use it all the time for my clients. I use it because it's easy to use, 100% meta approved, and very cheap. They offer a free plan, and the first pay plan starts at $14 a month. So if you don't have a ManyChat account yet, you can just go to the link in the description where you will find my link and will find my discount code that gives you 1 month of the pro plan for free. And full disclaimer, this is an affiliate link. So if you pay ManyChat after your first free month, I get a commission, but it doesn't have any influence on the price you pay, and it helps me to create free videos like these. So you can just go to the link in the description, or you can just go to chatamize.com/MC, and that will bring you directly to the ManyChat website. And then here you can click on Get Started, and then you need to log in with your Google or with your Facebook account. I recommend going with your Facebook account that is connected to your Instagram account. And I actually have a separate video on my YouTube channel that explains how you can connect your Instagram account to ManyChat. So after you've watched this video, I highly recommend going to that video as well. I already have an account, so I will just click here on sign in and then click on sign in with Facebook. So now I'm inside ManyChat, and to get started with automatically replying to DMs, what you need to do is you can click here on automation and then click on new automation. And you can click on start from scratch and then go with start from a blank canvas. Then here that opens up the ManyChat Flow Builder. And in the ManyChat Flow Builder, we create the ManyChat automations. And each automation starts with a trigger. And the trigger is the event that starts the automation. So in this case, you can just click on new trigger, go with Instagram, and then go with user sends a message. And this will trigger for any type of message, whether somebody just DMs you or whether they reply to one of your stories, it will reply for all of them. And here we can determine how we want to trigger this automation. We can either do it by detecting specific words, or we can do it with AI. In this case, we're going to keep it simple, and we're going to go with detect specific words. And then we want to reply if people ask questions about when the next Q&A session is that Marketing Mark does. So we want to reply when somebody says when or next. And it also contains session or Q&A or QA or Q&A. So when they say something like this, like when and next and then session or Q&A and all of that stuff, then we want to automatically reply with, okay, the next Q&A session is then and then and then. So in order to do that, you can just click here on Instagram, and then here you can give the answer to the question. So here I can say, I host my marketing sessions every 2 weeks. Just click the button below to know when the next session will start. And then in order to get like a nice card that I showed you before, what you can do is you can click here on more and then go with card. And with a card, you can add a nice image, but you can also add a title and you can add a button. And then when people click that button, that goes to a specific website URL. So we are going to start with uploading the image. So I already prepared some of these images. There you go. And then we have the Q&A sessions. So this is the Q&A sessions. And then as a button or as a title, we have Q&A sessions with Marketing Mark. And then we can add a new button, and that button is the next Q&A session. And then when people click on this button, then it opens up a website. And the website then goes to AdCall. And if you're not familiar with AdCall, it's a very useful tool that you can use to create free add to calendar links. So you can just create an add to calendar link, and I can show you how that looks like. You can just visit this, and then you can show this. So you can have like marketing Q&A sessions. They can either be free or paid. In this case, they are paid, and you can secure your tickets over here. But you can add it to your calendar, whether it's a Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Outlook Calendar, like all of that stuff. And the best thing about AdCall is that it's just free. So I already created an account, and when you create an account, what you can do is you can set up recurring events. So here I have an event start date, an event end date, but it's recurring. So it's recurring every 2 weeks. So you only have to create it once, and then you can use that across all of your ManyChat automations. So that's what we basically do over here. If you want to share the event, you can just copy this link whenever you have created it, and then we can add that over here. So that's AdCall, super easy to use, highly recommend using that as well. And then we can click on Set Live. So now if someone asks a question about when the next Q&A session is or when the next session is, we automatically reply to that. And then we can also give this a name so we know we have set this up. We know what the automation is about. So I would just call this Marketing Mark, and then we do Q&A session. So that's for the Q&A sessions. Then it could also be that people have questions about the coaching that Mark does. So in that case, we can create a new one called Marketing Mark, and then we do coaching. But Mark actually offers two types of coaching. He offers group coaching and he offers one-on-one coaching. So instead of just giving a default answer, what we can do is we can ask a question to that specific user. Then they say, okay, I want this specific type of coaching, and then we can give them a price and send them, for example, to a landing page or a checkout page or whatever you use. So in order to do that, we can just add another trigger, go with user sends a message, detect specific words, and then we can say, we want to trigger this when somebody says how much or price or cost, and then also mention something about coaching. So we can just add here coach. So this will trigger if they add something about the pricing or the cost or how much the coaching actually is. So we click here on create, and an Instagram message. And then here what we can do, we will copy this from my second screen. This will say, the price depends on what type of coaching you want. Are you looking for one-on-one coaching or group coaching? So you can go with one-on-one coaching or group coaching. Just click on one of the buttons below or reply with a number. And then we can add two quick replies. One is 1 and one is 2. The reason why we do this like this is if you could also use this as a quick reply, one-on-one coaching. The drawback of having that is that the quick reply, and by the way, a quick reply is a button where people can click on in the DMs. But the drawback of doing that is that then probably you cannot see the second quick reply. That's 1. And then 2, what a lot of people don't know is that on Instagram desktop, so if people are on Instagram desktop, so they are like here on a laptop or something like that, these quick replies don't show up. They don't show up at all. And this is basically an Instagram limitation. What we do is we say, just click on one of the buttons below or reply with a number. If people are on Instagram mobile, they can just click on that quick reply. But if they are on Instagram desktop, then they can type in a number. And by doing the setup like this, we make sure that they can always continue in the flow, whatever platform they are using. So whether they're on desktop or mobile, they can always continue. So that's basically the reason why we do that. So if they go with one-on-one coaching, so they type in 1 or they click on that quick reply, then we say, got it. Your one-on-one coaching starts at 500 euros a month, and I can answer any questions you have about marketing. And I can say, you can find more info about it here. And then here again, we are going to add that nice card. So we can upload an image here, one-on-one coaching. Then we can add a button here with one-on-one coaching with Marketing Mark. We just call this coaching with capital C. And then we can add a button with more information. So normally they would go to a landing page or a checkout page or anything where you have more information. I would just type in my website URL, but you get the idea of what you should do. And then basically we can do the same thing for group coaching. So for group coaching, we can just copy this. And by the way, we copy it maybe a little bit fast, but you can click here just on duplicate. And then we can give a similar answer for group coaching. So here's like group coaching starts at 100 euros a month. You can find more info about it here. And then I will just add the image for group coaching. And then we have, instead of one-on-one coaching, we have group coaching with Marketing Mark. And again, this could go to a separate landing page or checkout page, whatever you have for that. So we click here on Set Live, and that is working as well. Now, all of these automations are rule-based, but you can also trigger automations with AI. If you want to do that, you need to upgrade to the Pro plan. If you already have a ManyChat account, then if you want to use AI, you can just go here to settings and then go here to subscriptions and buy the ManyChat AI add-on. If you don't have a ManyChat account yet, you have new pricing, and they just updated this pricing, but then you need to go with the Pro plan. That's $29 a month if you go with annual, and then you can also get unlimited AI. And I just want to show you in this video how that AI works. It works pretty similar. So what you can do, we can just create a new automation. And let's say we create this automation if someone actually has bought the course of Marketing Mark and then wants to know where they can access the course. So it's like Marketing Mark, course access. We add another trigger. Instagram, user sends a message. And then we, instead of going with detecting specific words, we can go with recognize the intention of a message. So then we can type in the person wants to know where to find the course. So if the message is about that, and it doesn't really matter how they phrase it because the AI can just recognize it, then we can automatically reply to that as well. So we can click here on create. Click on Instagram, and then we can send a similar message. So we can say, thank you for buying the course. Here is where you can get access. I'll just copy this from my second screen. And then again, we add a nice card over here, add an image, course access. And then we have course access by Marketing Mark. And then again, we just go here with course access as a button. And then we open up the website, and this goes to my website in this case. But that's basically how the AI or part of the AI in ManyChat works. They also have more AI features, but this is how it works. Then you don't have to set up all of these individual keywords, but you can just say, okay, if the message is about a person that wants to know where to find the course, then we can automatically reply to that. Then the last flow we need to create is the default reply. And the default reply is your fallback automation. If someone sends a message and nothing else triggers, the default reply starts. So in order to build this out, you can just go here to settings and then go to Instagram. And then here you have the default reply. So you can just create a new reply. And then once you have done that, then ManyChat will create this automation for you. It has this trigger, user sends a message. And by default, it's set to once per 24 hours, but you need to set it to every time. So every time someone sends a message and it's not triggered by any of the other automation, then this automation will start. And you can choose whether you want to skip story replies or not. I'm going to leave that. We don't want to skip story replies. We would just want to trigger this for everything. And instead of automatically replying to this, you also want to have some human kind of thing inside your Instagram. I am not going to automatically reply with a message here. What we're going to do is we're going to notify you that this is something you need to reply to. So in order to do that, you can click here on action again, go with inbox, and then we are going to mark the conversation as open. In ManyChat, you have two types of conversations. You have closed conversations, open conversations. Closed conversations are handled by your automations. Open conversations should be handled by you or by someone on your team. So what we're going to do here is we're going to mark the conversation as open. Then we are going to assign the conversation to you or someone in your team. So in this case, I'm going to assign it to myself. And then lastly, we are going to notify people inside your ManyChat account. So again, I can just put here myself. You can add here instructions if you want to. And then when this happens, you automatically get an email from ManyChat with a notification with, hey, you need to look at this. And then if you have the ManyChat app, they have an app for iOS and for Android, you also get a notification on your phone. So that's basically how that works. You can click here on set live, and then that is working as well. So now with this setup, we automatically reply to frequently asked questions like Q&A sessions, course access, and also how much the coaching costs. And then once you created this, what you can actually do is you can just go here to Instagram, click here on message, and then basically say, hey there, how much is your coaching? And then it says the price depends on what type of coaching you want. So as you can see, it automatically replies to this. And that's how you can automatically reply to your Instagram DMs. And if you want to copy this exact setup, you can grab my template in the description and get started right away. Now, this is just one of the ways how you can use Instagram DM automation, but you can also auto DM anyone who comments on your Instagram post and turn them into leads. So if you want to see how you can do that, please check out this video right here.